Here's Mario. He is shoveling. We are in the storm of February 9th. It was an overnight storm. It dumped over 3 feet of snow in this area of Connecticut. As you can see, the roads are completely snow covered and there is no plows. There's a state of emergency, no vehicles on the roads, and people have to dig out. As you can see, we have mountains of snow. The cars are covered, and we are just trying to dig out. So when the plow goes by and we're able to, to go down the road, at least we'll be able to leave the house. But right now, it's all frozen. It's starting to get frozen, and it's going to be difficult to move the snow. Mario?
Hey, bye-bye, Uncle Vinny, California. I hope you enjoy the beach right now, okay, Uncle Vinny? I love you, Uncle Vinny. Bye-bye.